Tunes&Tales TV.
Hello friends, welcome to our colorful crayons and toys video. Today, we'll learn about Toddlers and see some fun toys inside our rainbow crayons. Are you ready? Let's open up the crayons one by one. Colors everywhere, so much fun. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Purple surprises all for you. Colors, 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 come and play. Learn and laugh, the fun-filled way. Toys and gumballs, here we go. Watch the rainbow colors grow. Red brings a car that goes vroom, vroom, vroom. Orange ball is bouncing round the room. A yellow duck will quack, quack, quack. Green dinosaur goes clickety clack. Colors, 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 come and play. Learn and laugh, the fun-filled way. Toys and gumballs, here we go. Watch the rainbow colors grow. Blue train is racing down the track. Purple bear is jumping back. Toys are here in every shade. Let's all cheer, hip, hip, hooray! Colors, 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 come and play. Learn and laugh, the fun-filled way. Toys and gumballs, here we go. Watch the rainbow colors grow. Are you ready? Let's start the first crayon.
What color is this?
It's red. Let's open the red crayon.
Wow!
Look, it's a red car. And look at the red gumballs. Red, red, red. Now what color is next? It's orange. Let's open the orange crayon. Ooh, a bright orange ball. And look at these bouncy orange gumballs. Orange is such a fun color. Let's see what's inside the yellow crayon. Yellow. Ready? Open. Wow! It's a yellow duck. Quack, quack. And here come the yellow gumballs. Yellow is so cheerful. Here comes the green crayon. Green is the color of trees and grass. Let's open it up. Look, a green dinosaur. And some green gumballs.
Roar, roar!
Green is great. What's inside the blue crayon? Let's find out. Blue. Oh wow, a blue train. Choo choo. And blue gumballs roll everywhere. Blue is so cool. Finally, we have the purple crayon. Let's see what's inside. Yay! A purple bear. And purple gumballs too. Purple is so much fun. Let's look at our toys again. We have a red car, an orange ball, a yellow duck, a green dinosaur, a blue train, and a purple bear. So many colorful toys. What's your favorite color? You like the red color? Or maybe the purple bear? Wow, we learned so many colors today. Let's say them together. Colors, 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 come and play. Learn and laugh, the fun-filled way. Toys and gumballs, here we go. Watch the rainbow colors grow. Thanks for learning colors with us today.